the morning breakfast idlis, plain dosa, chutney, coconut chutney with sambar dosa, with tea. Morning dish after going to Mustafa Center. Okay. Mustafa Center, we will see some, we will do some shopping from there. We will visit the Mustafa Center. Then we will go to Eastern Coast. Okay. So just now we will do the breakfast. After breakfast, we will go to Mustafa Coast. The weather is very good and it's raining also right now. It's raining right now, so we have to take an umbrella to visit the Mustafa Center. It's very nearby. Mustafa Center is 600 meters walkable distance from here. It's raining. The weather conditions are always favorable here, so I will be meeting you back after some time, waiting for the rain to stop, or else we will get an umbrella. Okay, I. Right now the rain is too much coming. The weather is very much supportable. Sometimes hot, sometimes rain. As I was planning to go to Mustafa Center and from there, from the eastern coast, to ride a bus. As you can see, there's too much heavy rainfall is happening over here. So it's very difficult to move on right now. So I am expecting to wait. To little bit wait as the rain stops and we can begin the journey. Okay, as you can see, it's very heavy rainfall is happening. It's good weather also, sometimes on hot and sometimes cold. It's not a cold season favorable country, but still sunny season and rainy season are to be expected. See, there is a lot of rain happening over here, full of rain, so you must carry an umbrella before you go to visit the places, because anytime you can get wet and you can get caught with the fever and cold. So the umbrella, you need to carry umbrella before you go out for the Singapore, because sometimes it will rain, sometimes it will be very much sunny, not too much humid here, but sometimes rainy, sometimes sunny. This way the Singapore the climate continue. I'm walking through the restaurant and talking myself. I will be going to the accommodation center because it's pouring very heavily, and right now the restaurant is pouring very heavily, and I do not know when it will be stopped. And if you're carrying an umbrella also, it will not help that much, because you will get 50% of it. Still it's raining, you can check. It's pouring As you can see, I cannot go too much far. If I move away from this shelf, and I will get wet because I'm not carrying an umbrella. So it's better you should carry an umbrella if you're visiting Singapore and going through places. And the umbrella will also not will help too much, as because when it pours heavily, it will not able to help you 100% unless you are carrying a raincoat. So just waiting for this rain to stop so that we can go to Mustafa Center, and we will see what we can shop from there. And from there we can move to Eastern Coast. So the sea beaches of Eastern Coast, as I know, is one of the best beaches. You can see clear sands and all. I waited for the rain to stop. Just waiting. See, it's still pouring very heavily, but I will still say the weather of the Singapore is macho. It's one of the greatest country, and a very good tourist spot to visit many places. If you go, and absolutely it is for the tourist spot only.